Big data can be categorized into three types. Let's dive right into it. Our first type is structured data. This is the type of data that most of us are familiar with. It's organized, easy to understand, and fits neatly into tables or databases. Think of an Excel spreadsheet with rows and columns where everything is meticulously organized. Examples of structured data include names, dates, addresses, and even the number of times you've clicked on a particular website. It's straightforward, clear, and easily searchable, making it a dream for data analysts. Next, we have semi-structured data. Imagine a less strict, more free-spirited sibling of structured data. It doesn't fit neatly into tables or databases, but it's not a complete rebel either. It has some organizational properties that make it easier to analyze than its unstructured counterpart. Examples of semi-structured data include XML files or JSON files. These files have tags, keys, or other markers to separate elements and enforce hierarchies of records and fields within the data. This makes semi-structured data more flexible, offering the best of both worlds. And lastly, we have unstructured data. This is the wild child of the data family. It's unpredictable, doesn't follow any rules, and refuses to fit into traditional data models. Examples of unstructured data include social media posts, videos, audio files, and web pages. It's messy, it's chaotic, and it's difficult to process and analyze, but don't be fooled by its unruly nature. Unstructured data can provide valuable insights that structured and semi-structured data cannot. It's like panning for gold. You sift through a lot of sand and gravel to find those precious nuggets of information. So there you have it. Structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data.